Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a clean, editable base. Open your photo, duplicate the background to a smart object so filters remain non-destructive, and make a new layer for the spotlight. Once done, add a black fill to that layer so you can paint light without altering pixels beneath. Next, add a layer mask to this black layer. The mask is where you will reveal the light. Make sure to set your foreground to white for painting, and choose a soft round brush at around 30–50% opacity to begin. Now you sculpt the spotlight. With the mask selected, paint with a soft white brush to reveal the black layer and create the lid area. Once the rough shape exists, duplicate the masked layer and apply Gaussian blur to that duplicate to soften edges and produce a natural falloff. Tweak the radius until the edge feels realistic. Then use free transform and warp to align the light to scene geometry. Make sure to vary brush opacity and size to build realistic gradient intensity instead of a flat circle. To finish, switch the spotlight layer to screen or overlay and lower opacity until it reads naturally in the scene. Screen gives bright light, overlay preserves contrast. Clip an adjustment layer, color balance or curves, to the spotlight to tint the light and match ambient color temperature. Add subtle noise at 1–3% if the light looks too smooth. If something goes wrong, inspect the layer mask edge. Refine it with select and mask or paint with a low opacity brush to fix hard edges and reblend.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.